So what's up guys, I'm back at the video. So we finally got 30 subscriber. I think it's probably it's like a few days I hit 20 sub, but now I hit 30 sub. We almost got 40 sub, so keep it up guys. Let's celebrate. Look guys, I will pop the picture so you can see I have 30 subscribers. See guys, I have 30 subscribers. I'm so happy. Even my brother is happy. He's hype right now. So thank you guys for supporting me. I will make more video about that. How about this guys? Comment if you like short or a video like this, or you want short. Comment down below. So thank you, bye. Thank you guys. Ay makanamo. Peace out.